right, so we have been reading what story? 2 Days in May. And there's several characters in that story, aren't there?
Yes.
There are. We're going to talk about different character traits. So if I wanted you to describe me as a person, what would you say? What would you say? Wyatt?
I'd say that you are a teacher and you work at Ocean Elementary.
Okay, time out. You need evidence. So you said I am a teacher. How do you know I am a teacher?
Because I'm in this room and you're teaching me right now.
Okay, that's one bit of evidence. You are experiencing it right now. Okay. Macy?
That you're wearing a teacher's tag on you.
Okay, there's some more evidence. I have a tag that teachers wear. Good job. Sure. Okay, good. Now you're doing a lot of describing of my outside appearance, but what about my inside appearance that you can't really see? How would you describe that?
I would describe you as a nice and loving person.
Now, can you support that with evidence?
Yes, I can.
Evidence would be something I've said or done to make you feel that way.
Because you're always really nice when you talk and everything, and you don't raise your voice unless it's necessary.
Ugly. I want to challenge you to use some other words too. Okay, this is a big, long list of words. Okay, it's in alphabetical order, and there are so many different words to use. So instead of using those same old words like nice or kind, find a synonym that means about the same thing. Okay? So ambitious. I might describe myself as ambitious because sometimes I have all these projects that I want to do and to conquer and to get done. So I think I'm very ambitious. I think I'm pretty efficient with my time because I can get it done when I need to get it done in a certain amount of time. Okay? I don't think I'm lazy. Some days I feel lazy, but as a whole person, I don't think I'm lazy because I feel like all I am is busy, busy. Is busy up here?
Yeah,
Oh, there it is. Okay. Now I want you to think about yourself. Looking at some words up here. Do any of those words describe you as a person? Some of you are this. Messy. Some of you are easygoing. I know some of you are very eager. Some of you are over-eager.
What does eager mean?
Shh. You can't wait. You're very anxious. You want to do it. You want to do it like you're eager when it's Christmas and you want to open up your gifts. Okay? Clever. Some of you are very clever. That means you know how to use your wisdom and your mind. Shh. Some of you are quiet. Grateful. I hope nobody's gloomy. That would make me sad if you were gloomy. Oh, I know some of you are picky eaters. That would describe you, picky. Okay. But you got the idea. There's a nice long list here of different things to say. Instead of saying nice character, bad character, good character, bad character. All right.
What are characters like? Nice day for a picnic, huh, Moby? Hey, check out those ants. They're totally stealing our food. No, Moby, you can't squash them. They're just doing their job. Yeah, that grasshopper isn't doing much at all. In fact, he seems pretty lazy. But the ants are working really hard.
Oops. So how would you describe, my goodness, how would you describe the ants? Describe the ants using a word, one word. Trenton?
busy.
Busy. I like your word. Busy. Somebody give me another word to describe those
Character.
ants.
I describe them very hardworking because they do their job to they're
2
hard.
Days in May. Give me some characters. Cole? Say it again. Sonia? Sonia?
The deer.
The deer. Yes, the deer are characters in the story. Pretty much the main characters, aren't they? Isn't that what the whole story's about? The deer. Macy? Mr. Donovan, the landlord. Great job, Madison. The neighbors. More minutes, but we are going to work on characterizing some of our characters in 2 Days in May. Okay? Now, just like we saw in our video, how do we do that? Well, we think about the characters' feelings, their actions, things that they say, and the thoughts that they have. And this is called FAST. F-A-S-T. Now, we're going to create a FAST organizer picking one of the characters from your story. Okay? And we are going to use Poplet. Who remembers Poplet? Okay, remember Poplet? Where you pop up those little boxes? Okay? And I'm going to make a new Popple, and I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to label it my character. So I'll just label deer. Okay? And I'm going to branch off one that way, one that way, one this way, and one that way. I need 4, remember? 1 is for my F, and my F stands for? Feelings. Okay? Then I'm going to do my A. A is? Actions. And then I'm going to do one for S. Sayings or speech. What did they say? And then the last one? Thoughts. What did my character think? You might have to do some inferencing about thoughts. What do you think the character was thinking? Now, what do I need to do after I have that made? After you have your character's name and you have the FAST, now you're going to start branching off. I'm going to click my actions, and I'm going to branch off my actions. Now, even though it's off the screen, all I have to do is slide my finger and it'll come back. Okay, and I'll slide. What's something the deer did in the story? Macy. Okay. The deer ate lettuce in Sonia's garden. Garden. Well, all you have to do is hit delete. G-A-R-D-E-N. N, Miss Hoffman. Okay. The deer ate lettuce in Sonia's garden. There's one thing that I need to add here. I need proof and evidence from the text. So what am I going to add? I'm going to put a P dot, and then I'm going to put the page number. So that means I'm going to have to refer back to my text. I'm going to have to look at my text and find out what page the deer ate lettuce in Sonia's garden. Okay? What if there's more than one action? Well, I'm going to go, and I'm going to click on action again, and guess what? There's another one, and I can move it over like this if I wanted to. I could leave it here. I could put it underneath. I could put it over. I can slide them around so it doesn't get messy. Another thing that I can do, I might want to color code them. So I clicked on my action box. You see that? And if I click on that little rectangle right here, I get different colors. So my actions, I might want all to be green. So let me change them all to be. That way I know everything that's in the green is actions. And let me go to feelings. I might be feeling blue. Okay, so the first step is you are going to create this part, these 5 rectangles. After you've done your 5 rectangles, you're going to put your iPad down for a minute, and I want you to search your character. I want you to search for feelings, actions, sayings, or thoughts. Okay? And when the iPad comes to you again, you'll have something ready to type in. Don't forget to change colors. What page did you find that information on?
198. Yeah,
198. So make sure you put the page number. Awesome.
Okay. In her garden. No, in her garden.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for thoughts of Okay, so you're right after that.
Here, I'm gonna do this color first.
Okay, take turns doing the color.
I'll get Kyle, we're testing red.
Okay, did you find something to write?
She thought that the deer were really cool. So we thought that the deer was cool, typing cool.
Okay, so what do we have so far? I'm trying to get it.
For actions, we said Sonia sleeps outside, and for feelings,
Do you have page numbers?
yes, and it's page 207.